What if you could do more with less? That's what ARCAB helps fleet operators do every day. ARCAB helps connect bus fleets very easily and optimize their supply. Essentially, we help companies save on their employee transport costs. We help fleet operators make more money. And best of all, we're reducing the CO2 emissions by 5 times with a sustainable solution. We launched operations 3.5 years back. We're growing very quickly with $4.4 million in annual recurring revenues. We've served over 27 companies. We've partnered with 400 plus fleet operators in the region, and we've moved 20,000 people across the city. The market for what we're doing is massive with $8 billion, comprising of over 10,000 fleet operators having 800,000 vehicles. However, there's a problem. In the transport industry today, you have bus booking apps which have a challenge of not having enough of the right vehicles. And on the other side, you have software that helps you plan routes, but not really execute it on the ground. That's where ARCAB comes in. What we're building is a platform that easily connects vehicles through hardware and software and opens up multiple use cases for them to make more money and save money for the end clients. So essentially, companies can build on top of our platform and use our vehicles and fleet for their operations. The problem that we're solving is a lot of times we tell fleet operators that you don't necessarily need more vehicles to make more money. A lot of times you can make more money with less vehicles. Here's how that works. First, we characterize the supply by taking a look at the active routes, the off-peak hours, the deadheads, which are excess kilometers that don't make money. And then we characterize the demand by taking a look at where people and things need to be at a given time and location. And then we simply connect the required demand with the best supply. We have products for developers to build on top of our platform, as well as mobile apps and dashboards to monitor the entire transportation ecosystem from A to Z. From a sustainability perspective, we're able to help an average fleet operator who has 100 vehicles reduce 25 metric tons of CO2. That's 250,000 empty kilometers for their fleet per month. That's like circling the earth 6 times. And these are empty kilometers. They make no money, they carry no passengers, and it produces tons of CO2 emissions for the environment. With ARCAB, we turn these empty kilometers into money-making opportunities while improving sustainability. Most recently, we did this quite successfully for Imdad, one of the largest facility management companies. We reduced their vehicles from 140 vehicles to 80 vehicles, saving them almost $1.5 million a year in annual employee transportation savings. The way the tech works is we're able to fill up the idle hours. We're able to identify empty seats. We combine different routes and we create a massive centralized asset pool that anybody can tap into. This allows our fleet operators to increase their margins by 20% and win more contracts. The way we make money is we charge a SaaS fee per vehicle per month, and we have a revenue share from the vehicles on the platform. The team comprises of 20. Myself, I've co-founded and sold an e-commerce company before. Kevin, my co-founder, he's built and led product and marketing teams in the past. Jonathan was head of strategy at Ford, and Rafal was the CTO of one of the largest mobility apps in Poland. And together we've come to build something that operators love to use. We're projecting $173 million in revenue, and we've already have $20 million in pipeline for this year, which allows us to confidently reach our projections. We're currently raising $5 million for expansion across new markets, as well as expanding on our tech operations and marketing. And we look forward to answering any questions and meeting you at our booth later. Thank you so much.